because I started this with the idea that I wanted something that I could do, that I could be a part of, that I could build, that was about a product, but it was also about an artistic identity, and it was also about a lifestyle. And that's kind of where Ephraim fits. It's about building something that you can do for your life. I'm Kevin Hicks. I'm a potter sculptor at Ephraim Pottery. I do think that every step along the way, there's been a good life if you can just open your eyes to what's going on in the moment. The time where I was probably making the least amount of money doing what I'm doing and making pottery were some of the best. The struggles are the things that really are the fun part. I started the business with two others. In the beginning, one was more an accountant and another one was another artist. And we decided to kind of go into business with this arts and crafts style pottery with modern craftsmen. And there was a revival going on at the time. The forms are reflective of the lifestyle in that they are organic. And yeah, I think the nature influence in the arts and crafts style and therefore in Ephraim is super important. I love getting down into the areas where you're looking closely at how amazing nature is and the designs that are already there, that if you just kind of look a little bit closer and then you kind of work with those and try and evolve those onto the ceramic form, that is something that is just, it's around us all the time. And so if you just keep your eyes open all the time, you can see how beautiful nature is and how it can be elevated to be onto your ceramic forms that becomes art in people's homes. Typically, the number of people that would work on a single pot would be around 3 people. Now, that's the people that just worked on the pot. That doesn't always encompass the full life of that, because you have the people that might have been designing the pot. I might design something that someone else might be doing all the craftsmanship work on. We do have some people that are a little bit more on the creative side, and then we have some people that are more like, I like to do the crafting of these pieces. At the current time, I would say most people do create at least a little bit, and I encourage that from the beginning. It wasn't always so much that way. I think that that's something that I've encouraged more as the pottery has gone on, to try and get people to contribute. I think one of the things that we do here to hopefully nurture people feeling that the work is important to them is steer the work that they have to be more of what they enjoy doing. And so we're not trying to make people what we are. We're trying to make what they can be the best that they can be and let them evolve that. It is this collaboration of form and design, and it's a collaboration between all the different artists that have to come together to make that all happen. That I do think that all that kind of reflects who we are as a pottery. I've decided that what I want, and I feel like it's reflected in the people that I hire, are people that want to continue on and grow and create on a daily basis. It's not about making something and then resting on your laurels. It's about making, evolving, changing, and trusting that if you keep active with your mind and awareness of what's going on around you, that you will be successful in the designs if you work with the other people around you. And it feels like it's proven out to me that that's the right way to go, because oftentimes I'm told that this is kind of such a unique situation. How is this working so well? And I feel like it has to be mostly because I trust in myself and others that it will all work out. If you listen to other people and you leave your ego at the door and you all come in and you're not trying to climb the corporate ladder, and you feel like you're trusting of the person that you're speaking with and you're talking to and you're collaborating with is trying to do right by the company just like you are, things work out.